something.
They eat grass.
Here. That's so...
Why?
What if it tries to eat my hand? That's so cute. Imagine just like a little kid over there, just running him in the woods and chasing. It's like, come here! Oh, I'm coming to get you. I think there might be more cows down there. Remember me.
Wait, oh my god.
Whoa! Imagine you said, Mo, shut up. I'm touching it. I touched it, Naima. I touched mine. Come on, give them the food. They're so cute. I touched you though. Guys, they really like me. You mean not a fly? A horn. Oh. They have horns. Why don't they have babies yet? I want because they don't like each other. Look how big it is. Not that. Oh. Bro. A tempered one.
It went.
I feel bad for that dog looking for food. Poked him in the eye. Your horn poked. Yeah, we're gonna get them a goodbye. Tribute. I didn't know there's also food. Here. You feed your female. Wait. I'm feeding you all. How come you're not letting me touch you?